In today's video, we will be discussing the software development lifecycle, which is more commonly referred to as SDLC. SDLC is a software development process composed of 7 different phases which are interlinked with one another in order to launch a software production. The 7 phases are planning, requirement analysis, designing, implementation, testing, deployment, and operations/maintenance, all of which I'll be giving a basic rundown here shortly. Before the phases of SDLC can be put into motion, there has to be a client or entrepreneur who wishes to create a program for either a company, personal use, or consumer use. The client will reach out to multiple software development companies and choose the one he wishes to work with. After he selects the company he likes, he will present the application and sign a deal for the application's development, in which SDLC will be used. The first phase in the software development process is planning and feasible study. The client and develop team will meet with one another and discuss the terms and requirements of the application. They will answer important questions such as whether or not the project can be completed, and will it be completed on time? Is it within the company's budget? And is it in the company's ability to move forward with this project? After these questions have been answered and the solution to any problem has been found, they will then proceed to the next phase. The second phase is requirement analysis, in which the development team and the client will meet with a financial expert or business analyst, who will identify and analyze the requirements of the application, which are things such as the registration page, the login and logout page, and the dashboard. Also, the installation of these requirements will be validated, and their security will be calibrated to ensure the smooth running of the software. The third phase is design, in which the development team will apply all requirements to the project and provide the plan for the program. This plan will clarify the layout, color scheme, framework, and many others. The logical and physical design of the project are constructed in this phase. The logical design is composed of the general components of the project, and the physical design is composed of the more detailed components. After the development team have mapped out the design, they will send it to the client and software developers for review. The fourth phase is the implementation or coding phase, in which the actual software code is created based on the design and requirements gathered in earlier phases. It involves writing, compiling, and testing the source code to create a functional software product. The coding phase is a critical part of SDLC, where the software product begins to take shape. In this phase, the development team sets up the required development environment, which includes selecting programming languages, frameworks, libraries, and tools, as well as version control systems and other necessary software and hardware resources. The fifth phase is the testing phase, which is a critical step to ensure the quality and reliability of the software before it is deployed to users. It helps in identifying and fixing defects early in the development process, which ultimately leads to a higher quality software product. The testing team identifies and reports any defects or issues found during the testing process. The defects are logged in a defect tracking system, and the development team fixes the defects. After the defects have been fixed and the software is running smoothly, it is then time to move on to the next phase. The sixth phase is deployment. This is the stage in which the software is released and made available for use. It involves the actual installation, configuration, and deployment of the software system in the target environment, such as production servers and consumer devices. This involves setting up the necessary hardware, software, and network infrastructure to support the software system. It may also include configuring databases, servers, and other components to ensure the software's smooth running. The seventh and final phase is operations/maintenance, which is a critical and ongoing phase that ensures the software's continuation to function effectively and meet the needs of its users. It involves a range of activities, including monitoring, maintenance, support, and continuous improvement. And these are to ensure the software's performance, availability, and its reliability. Now that you basically understand the 7 phases of SDLC, it is time to explain why SDLC is used. SDLC is used because it provides a systematic framework for the production of the product. It guarantees better control over the project's design, ensures its smooth running, and decreases the chance of bugs and other errors occurring. It also defines the responsibilities for team members during each phase. And it also improves the client's interaction with the development of the software. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have a better understanding of what the software development lifecycle is. And as always, thanks for watching.